Hi, I am Neeraj. I am in BTech third year and I am an Internshala student partner representing Internshala in our college. Today I am hosting an Internshala classroom internship talk to tell you all about easiest way to earn pocket money and gain experience. Also, you will get a link to the attendance tab at the end of the talk, which will confirm your participation certificate for this talk. You will also get an exclusive chance to play resume score calculator upon attending the complete talk and filling the attendance tab. Current scenario: college have reopened, but students are at home due to the COVID-19 situation. Although students are having online classes, they have a significant amount of spare time at hand, which is a golden opportunity for them. They can utilize this time to earn pocket money and get experience and explore their interests. How you can utilize your time in the best way? Apply for part-time work from home internships. Start your journey by applying to internships that are easier to get, like part-time and work from home internships. Getting selected for these internships would open doors for you to get the first hand experience and help you get ready for big opportunities. Apply for campus ambassador internships. The best part of doing a campus ambassador internship is that you get to work from the college itself with your own convenience and also get a chance to earn a huge stipend. By part-time internship, work just 2 to 3 hours a day. You just need to give 2 to 3 hours a day, which always you to do the internship without disturbing your online classes schedule. Why part-time internship? Earn pocket money. Who doesn't want to be financially stable in life? Everyone does, right? Doing internship ultimately helps you to be financially independent. Students like you and me can start earning pocket money in college through internships and will not have to depend on our parents for monthly expenditures. By part-time internships, gain meaningful experience. Doing an internship not only helps you to earn pocket money but also help you to gain valuable experience. It is like a sneak peek into the corporate world before you are actually going out there. Did you know? Did you know that 5 lakh plus students got a part-time work from home internship through Internshala and earn up to 120,000 Indian currency away some, right? Would not it be great if you would earn such a cool stipend while in college? How to get part-time internship? Internshala can help. Internshala is the world's number one internship and training platform. Internshala is an internship and online training platform which was founded in 2010 with an intent to create a culture of meaningful internships in the country. At present, over 4 million students look for internships on Internshala offered by more than 80 plus employees in 100 plus profiles like engineering, marketing, finance, human resources, content writing, and graphic design, etc. The best part is Internshala free of cost for a student. Yes, you don't have to pay anything to get an internship, rather all internship on Internshala apart from NGO and not for profit organization come with a stipend and a certificate. How to apply for a part-time internship? There are the three simple steps. Register for free, create an account as a student and verify it, complete your profile. After verifying your email account, you need to complete your profile by finalizing your resume and filling in your internship profile preferences. Apply and get hired. After completing your profile, you can continue with applying for internship on Internshala that match your profile and availability. In your Internshala application, you can view the all application status of all the internships on a real-time basis. A word from interns. Here are a few students just like us who not only got financially independent during their internship journey, also gain valuable experience to build their careers. Ujjwal and Nitish both earn Indian 15,000 and fulfill their wishes to get a DSLR camera and gift for their parents. I am sure you all would also want to be in the same list so that you can also buy all the things added to your wish list and also make your parents proud.